Hi guys, this is Sumi and welcome to my channel. And today I thought to clean my tablet's screen. So my tablet was like I bought this tablet last year, like in 2023. After I got my second or third salary, and mixing two or three salaries, I bought this. And yeah, I was like proud of it because this is the first big thing that I bought in my life with my own money. Like, like the independence, independency that I felt after I bought this is something like I can't explain in some words what I felt. And but yeah, let's clean it today because I I really want it to be looking same exact as I bought it for the first time. Um, yeah, let's clean it. So this is a cleaner that I have. I bought it from Amazon, I guess. It is called Gadget Cleaning. It's from Gizga, I guess. Gizga Essentials. Okay, if you want me, I can like give a link in the description below. So yeah, before that I'll brush it off, like all the dust from the top of the screens and the edges, like the corner edges, because the dust sometimes get entrapped in the space, in the gap between the screen guard and your tablet. So let's clean it carefully. After that I have a tissue. Yeah, I dusted it off, all the remaining. Now let's use the cleaning essential spray that is from Gizka Essentials, and spray it off with the other side of the tissue. And we'll be moving in only one direction, like we'll not be moving it like in a single rotation. We are going to move it. Yeah, it's better than before. Yeah, you can see how clean it looks now.